This is a professional curling iron, and it's had its use, so it doesn't have the spring back on it. You notice how it just kind of falls down? But you can see that right there is what gets hot. And then you smush the hair against it, and you're gonna notice that this kind of rotates here. So I can set this up so I can just do it with my hand. Now it has three little switches here. Here's your on and off, and that'll tell you when it's red. This does the temperature, and this one will lock the barrel so that you can't do this, what I'm doing right here. And basically what you do is you grab the hair down close to the scalp, pull it up, and then you're just gonna start rotating it around. It's pretty simple, really. What you don't wanna do is touch this thing because it's 400 degrees. So do not touch it. Now you're gonna notice that she touches it once the hair's on there just to get a feel of it, but you don't wanna touch the metal. It's very dangerous. All right, we're gonna show you how to use this thing. All right, we're gonna show you how to use a curling iron. Here we have, that's a little bit of hairspray. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull out a string of hair that's straight, as you can see, and we're gonna wrap her around the curling iron. As you can see, we're going around in a circle. You've gotta be very careful not to touch the curling iron.
See, this is also a professional curling iron. No one's gonna have this Marcel, nobody. So they're gonna say, what is this?
That is a Marcel curling iron. It's a professional one. And so we use professional stuff here because we are not professionals. So as you can see, she's gonna give it about, I'd say 10 seconds. And then as you can see, it comes out nice and curly. She sprays it with the spray. And then we're gonna pull some of this hair from the front to the back, but we're gonna comb it a little bit. And we're gonna separate it with our little
rat tail comb.
We're gonna throw some stuff on the floor because we don't care. We're gonna comb it out. Now we're gonna get a big chunk of it, like that. Okay, now we're gonna snap it in. Notice how we get kind of close to the bottom and then we roll it up. And we're moving it in a counterclockwise fashion. And we're gonna hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds, 8, and unwind her. Nice and easy. Be careful not to get your hand on the curling iron. It will burn you. I'm gonna do one more here to show you how. Separating it out. We snap it in, pull it, and then start from the end and work our way back down towards the scalp. Try not to touch your your patient with the curling iron because it could burn their scalp. Notice how she's just barely touching it. Another 6, 7, 8 seconds. We unwind it, ladies and gentlemen, and now you have the beautiful curls. And we're gonna do one more so that you guys get one more chance to take a look at it. We snap it, pull it to the end, roll her down. Somebody's trying to call us. We're not answering our phone because it's likely a scam. Somebody wants to sell us an extended warranty on our car. We are not buying it. And how hot does this thing get?
400.
400 degrees, so do not touch it.
Or 450.
That is very hot. And so there's the little handle that you squeeze, and that kind of pulls it and tightens it. And we're gonna come back and look at it when it's all done. All right, if you like this video, check out the full-length video of how to do this hairdo. Thanks for watching.